Bitcoin, we've had a bit of a tumble. I did kind of see this happening, but I don't want to call it because I don't want to jinx it. And it wasn't the best pattern either. I mean, what I was seeing was some kind of loose rising compression, but it wasn't the best pattern because of this big, strong wick over here. But it has played out. I mean, it wasn't the best one, so I'm not going to take any credit for it because I didn't call it anyway, but I did see it. So when you have a pattern like this, the price just ranges and then it converges until it breaks out. And then the target price is the base of the structure, so at this point here. So it has hit that. And so that is a good thing. Is it going to continue to fall from here? I don't think so. We're going to have to wait and see because the rest of the market, it is bullish. But if we look at my other charts, this doesn't look good. I mean, there's a couple of things here. I could say, okay, we're back in a downtrend, and that's definitely possible. And if we are, then we would draw something like that, and then we could copy and paste this and connect it like that. So that's definitely possible. But another possibility is that we've just got this wrong. Well, I've just got this wrong, and so I'm going to keep them both on there, and we'll see which one plays out. And so let's move this, because this is a good line too. And so yeah, are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend? That's what we need to find out. So obviously if Bitcoin breaks this structure, then yeah, we're definitely in another short-term downtrend. What's more concerning for me is zooming out onto my longer-term chart, is that we have broken the structure. And there's no sugarcoating it. We have broken it a few times, and when the trend line is tested that often, eventually it does break down. And again, we could readjust this. I don't want to right now, but we're gonna have to wait and see. If I were to redo this, I would probably start it from, say, something like over there, and then have it come out like that. But I don't want to draw that yet. I want to just leave it as is, and then let's see. Because we've been in this long-term uptrend for a few years, and yeah, I don't want to call it a bear market because we haven't had alt season yet, and we might not have alt season. And if we look at this, we're barely within the structure. We haven't broken down yet, even though it's just screaming for it. But the macro is good. I mean, that's what. Oh, this is another chart that I was just. I teach people finance, and I was showing them a few examples of, how the Wall Street cheat sheet works. So maybe I can make a separate video on that. But I don't want to show that chart. I just wanted to go into the S&P 500. Where is it? Yeah, I mean, this is still very bullish. So we'll see what happens when the markets open up. But yeah, there's no reason for me to say, yeah, this is a bear market started. Gold, I would say, has topped out. I'm going to call it. And that's a good thing because this money can then come into other assets. QT is coming to an end. That's one of the bigger things for me because we need liquidity. And that's what's missing. We have no money in the system, no money left, and we need that for things to start pumping. So let's see what today brings.